Did you know that the identity of Jesus as the Son of God has sparked debate for centuries? The significance of Jesus' identity in Christianity and its implications on faith, Jesus' divinity among various religious groups, and how it creates confusion. The belief in Jesus as the Son of God, along with counter-arguments from other perspectives. Join me as I dive deep into one of the biggest questions ever: is Jesus really the Son of God? Let's explore this together. In the Christian faith, the identity of Jesus is the cornerstone of its teachings, and understanding who he is has significant implications on one's belief and relationship with God. The concept of Jesus being the Son of God is fundamental to Christianity, and its significance cannot be overstated. Across different religious groups, there is a stark contrast in beliefs about Jesus' divinity. While Christians affirm Jesus as the Son of God, other faiths have varying views on his status. Muslims, for instance, believe Jesus to be a prophet, while others view him as simply a historical figure or a spiritual leader. The disparity in beliefs creates confusion and raises questions about the validity of each perspective. The doubts surrounding Jesus' divinity are further complicated by the absence of a unified understanding among Christian denominations. Some emphasize Jesus' humanity, while others focus on his divine nature. The complexity of this debate makes it challenging to pinpoint the truth. Amidst the uncertainty, it's essential to acknowledge the emotional investment people have in their beliefs. Passionate discussions often arise when individuals with differing views engage, and it's crucial to approach these conversations with empathy and respect. By doing so, we can foster an environment where people feel comfortable exploring their doubts and questions. In the pursuit of understanding Jesus' identity, we must delve into the scriptures, which provide valuable insights into his nature. The Bible offers numerous passages that reaffirm Jesus as the Son of God, such as John 3:16, which states, "For God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish, but have eternal life." These verses are integral to the Christian narrative and have shaped the faith's understanding of Jesus' divinity. However, counter-arguments emerge from other perspectives, such as the Jewish faith, which views Jesus as a mortal and not the Son of God. These differing interpretations lead to a richer understanding of the complexities surrounding Jesus' identity and the need for empathy in interfaith dialogue. One of the most compelling accounts that support Jesus' divinity is the Transfiguration, where Jesus is revealed in his glory, accompanied by Moses and Elijah. This event, recorded in Matthew 17:1-13, Mark 9-13, and Luke 9:28-36, is a powerful testimony to Jesus' divine nature. This breathtaking moment underscores the significance of Jesus' identity and its implications on our faith. The Transfiguration serves as a poignant reminder of the extraordinary nature of Jesus, which sets him apart from other historical figures. This event has captivated believers throughout history, inspiring awe and reverence for the Son of God. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you believe Jesus is God, subscribe and comment Jesus is King. Let's build a massive community.